Hey everyone, I'll show you how to remove this marks over here. I was cooking earlier and I burnt my robe I was wearing. I lean on it like this. And psst. Now it won't come up. I've been scrubbing it almost all day. This morning, for like 20 minutes, didn't come up. And I'll show you how I removed it. I use a spoon. Just get it wet. Now just a spoon, just feel the high parts. Just go back and forth slowly without putting any pressure. See, this one, tie one over here. I'm not putting any pressure on the spoon. You can feel it. It jumps up when you hit it. It jumps up slowly. That way you don't scratch the cooktop. Gone. I think when it's gone, I'm gonna do the rest. Don't put any pressure. Just let it glide. Almost gone. A little bit left. I don't feel the high marks anymore. Now that that's gone, right there, it's gone. Yeah, just a little bit left, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna put a. Let me try that out. See what's right there? It's gone. Now, put your favorite cooktop glass top cleaner on it. Wipe. Done. Almost good as new. Alright, that's it. That's how I I do it anyway. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.